Power, elegance, and performance. This is the all-new 2025 BMW M6, a driving experience like no other. From the very first glance, the M6 commands attention. Its signature kidney grille has been reimagined, now bolder and more sculpted, flanked by advanced laser headlights that pierce through the night. The muscular lines of the bodywork flow seamlessly from front to rear, creating a dynamic silhouette that exudes power and sophistication. The M6 sits low and wide, emphasizing its athletic stance, ready to dominate the road. At the rear, the M6 features a carbon fiber diffuser, carbon fiber spoiler, and quad exhaust tips, producing a deep, resonant note that's as thrilling to the ears as it is to the soul, as well as something slower drivers can admire. Step inside the 2025 BMW M6, where luxury meets performance. The cabin is an oasis of refinement, with hand-stitched leather seats that cradle you in comfort, whether you're on a long drive or carving through corners. The driver-focused cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to display everything from navigation to performance metrics. The M-specific controls are intuitively placed, giving you quick access to various driving modes and settings. The central console is home to BMW's latest iDrive system, offering seamless connectivity through Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an immersive sound system that makes every drive feel like a concert. Under the hood, the 2025 M6 is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, pushing out a staggering 617 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering blistering acceleration and razor-sharp handling. With BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system and adaptive M suspension, the M6 is engineered to offer unparalleled precision and control, whether you're launching from 0 to 60 in under 3.5 seconds or navigating winding roads. The 2025 BMW M6, where luxury meets raw performance. It's more than just a car, it's a statement. Are you ready to make yours?